Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A10s, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. This is the fastest way to do that from the keyboard level. So let's open it, for example, in messages. It doesn't really matter right now. And right now we have to tap on this settings icon. If you cannot see it on this option bar, no worries, just tap on this three dots icon and you will be able to find it somewhere here. So let's enter the settings and tap on languages and types. And as you can see, here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on manage input languages. We've been transferred to all downloaded languages, and under it we've got also the list of ones which are available. So if you cannot find the language you would like to set here on this list, then just go to the available languages and download it just by tapping on this download icon. But let me pick something from those options, and let me pick let's say graphical one. I mean, I would like to show you the actual change. So let me pick this one, and all you have to do is simply tap on the switcher next to it. And since it is active, we can go back. As you can see, it has been immediately applied to the list. So we can go back to the keyboard in order to check. And as you can see, right now we've got the English. What's more, on the spacebar we've got the name of the language we are currently using, so it's quite useful. So here we've got the English, we can freely type it, but after tapping and swiping on the spacebar, we can switch to another language, as you can see. And again, and here we've got the English. So this is it. This is how to add the language to your keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because for some reason you do not need to have two different languages. Let me check what's here. As you can see, you can remove it from this level. You can just tap on remove, but you can also enter manage input languages and simply tap on the switcher right here. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that you cannot swipe on the spacebar, so it means that we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Samsung Galaxy A10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.